It is auspicious to eat Chinese leeks or 大蒜 during Chinese New Year. Today, we're going to show you how Grandma used to stir fry Chinese leeks with prawns. We have here 8 prawns cut into half and 7 leeks sliced diagonally, separating the white from the green. With 3 tablespoons of oil, fry the prawns until fragrant for about 1 minute. Remove and set it aside. Add the white part of the leeks. Fry for about 3 minutes. Add the greens. Continue frying for about 8 to 10 minutes until you can smell the nice garlicky aroma from the leeks. This is a very important step. Whether this dish will turn out well will depend on how well the leeks are stir-fried here. When the leeks are fragrant, we turn the prawns into the wok. Add half a bowl of water. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the water would have dried up. Taste to check if the leeks are tender. If not, add another half a bowl of water and cover for another minute. When it is cooked to the texture which you like, add about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add some cornstarch solution. And this is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.